Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I am really sorry for the low energy. It's because I just woke up. I woke up actually 2 hours before, but I got on my period, so I slept again because it's very painful for me at least. Some people are so lucky because they did not experience any period cramps or pain, but mine is just next level. Abhi, I think I'm again gonna sleep and just take some rest. And it's like if I even have something, I'll either puke or I'll feel more, pukish, something like that. So I'll not have anything and I'll just take some rest. Before I actually go and take some rest, I want to introduce to you all something which has helped me a lot past few months during my period and has been my savior during my period cramps, which are these Nua Cramp Comfort self-heating relief patches, and they've been so helpful for me. Nothing actually works when it comes to relieving my period pain, but these patches just work wonders when it comes to relieving my period cramps. So these are the heat patches that help you deal with your period cramps, especially when you are too lazy and you don't want to use any kind of hot water bag or something like that. In fact, I would say that these patches are the perfect replacement of your hot water bag. I really love how portable and easy it is to use these. Even if I'm traveling, I'm going to show you how these patches actually work or how they look like and how to use them. Open the package, one of the patches, and this is how it actually looks like. I've teared it off now and I'm going to take it out. This is how the patch looks like, and these patches are self-heating once the sticker is removed. It takes approximately 20 minutes for this to reach its optimal temperature, and then it stays comfortably hot for 8 hours straight. And girls, there is no refilling or no plug-in required when it comes to these Cramp Comfort patches. This Cramp Comfort is very effective for mild to moderate period cramps.
All you got to do is take out the patch from the packet, peel off the sticker, and make sure that the patch is stuck on the inside of your underwear with the non-adhesive side facing your skin. After this, just gotta relax.
So that's how you use the pad. Just remember to not stick it directly on your skin. If you're thinking about the safety of this pad, let me tell you, it is non-toxic, safe to use, and made up of 100% natural ingredients. And you know what? You can even mix the ingredients of this patch with water and use it as a fertilizer for your home plants after the patch cools down. The unique design of this patch gives you maximum relief since it contours the curves of a woman's body. You can use it on your lower abdomen if you have stomach and thigh pain, and use it on your lower back if you have back pain. I again would like to lay emphasis on this point that do not stick this patch directly on your skin, and make sure that you do not sleep with the patch overnight. You can now get 20% off on Nua's Cramp Comfort by simply clicking the link in my description and using my code, which is Arushi20. So go and get your savior right now. Just woke up after a nap and I am craving for something really sweet. Why does this look so yummy? The only thing which I love is Nutella. Day 1 of a period is really very painful, but the Cramp Comforts which I've been using, they work so good. I usually go for sanitary pads rather than tampon, something else. I don't know why, I'm just used to use sanitary pads. Maybe if I use some other thing, I might switch to it, but since I've already been using pads, I just love using them. This is day 2 of my period. I didn't vlog the previous day because I was just resting the whole day, but today I have some work. I have to go to the bank to get some things done, so I'm going with my mom and my dad right now. So I haven't washed my hair since a week. Yay! मेरा ATM एक्सपायर हो गया था. मत कर. Got my work done finally. I want to wash my hair. It's been 7 days I haven't. Look at this kid. My hair looks dirty, but who cares? I just received some PR and Manav wants to open it. Open. What? Huh? Wow! Open. This is for you. What is it? Oh, it's a cute top. You want to wear this?
Hello beautiful Arushi, we love your feed. Thanks for doing this collab with us. We hope you love our product and look fabulous in it. Can't wait to see it on you.
How it looks like. It looks really pretty. And my white shorts with this, it looks bomb. So cute. I love it. Look at this boy, so excited for it.
Oh god!
बड़ी बेल्ट लगाओगे जीन्स के ऊपर? कौन सी जीन्स पे फिट आएगा इसे?
डेमो दिखाना मुझे कैसे पहनते हो।
कौन सी जीन्स पे फिट आएगी?
न्यू बेल्ट।
Also, I haven't had breakfast this morning. I'm going to make Maggi. I've mixed all the masalas in water. I've put chili powder, put salt, Maggi masala, haldi. 4 masalas I've put in. I'm gonna blend them. Say hi to my Maggi. I had my Maggi, I had my lunch, and I want to study right now, but there's no electricity, which is making me feel lazy. Although it doesn't make any sense that not having electricity is making me feel lazy, but it is making me feel lazy. So sometimes I see some people comment under my videos that my voice is not clear, or I don't look at the camera, or I speak very softly. That's just how I make my videos. And if you have any problem, I think you gotta fix your earphone or whatever, because out of 100 only 2 or 3 people have this problem. So if 97 people are not facing this problem, then you are the problem. This guy just said that I like my phone. This guy just said I like my phone naked. That's why his phone doesn't cover. Phone and everything. He's trying to do something with my laptop and he's not able to do it. Useless. Battery report देख रहे हैं, इनसे खुल नहीं रहा है.
इतनी खराब है, देख.
दिखा.
It's showing that already 7,000 कम हो चुकी है.
2 साल पुराना है. फिर ठीक है.
इतना ही होता है. ये देखिए, ये भी दिखाएगा तेरा कब खराब होना शुरू हुआ है.
Margarita is the worst pizza ever. कोई अक्कड़ नहीं आई है मुझ में. जो हम छोटे होते थे, ये स्कूल में स्पैरो के अंडे तोड़ देता था अपने हाथ से.
मैं स्कूल में कुछ और करता था.
क्या करता था स्कूल में? Why do you like margarita?
What else are you supposed to like?
Me.
No.
We are going to have some naral pani. His name is Abhimanyu, by the way. Nobody knows about it. He's my childhood friend. He doesn't give me thoda sa bhi bhav. We are at Grillin and this is empty. The food is not sponsored. I have paid for the food और इतना पे कर दिया कि मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए. आधा पैसा इसने दिया है, 40 रुपए. इधर आओ.
ये बोलेगी कि फ्री में खिला रही है लेकिन लूट लेगी आपको.
40 रुपए नहीं थे मेरे पास क्योंकि मेरे भाई ने मुझे खाली कर दिया है. Have your roll. What? Oh. I am a snack, yeah. Look who's going back. He's going back to his place.
जाने दो अब.
कुछ दिखाने की कोशिश करते हुए Abhimanyu Singham Wall. And this is day 3 of the vlog, guys.
एक दिन का vlog हो जाएगा.
I'm vlogging since 3 days. You don't even know. We went somewhere and thank God we got it.
Thanks.
Okay. Please driving us for the stuff. I got my Almira fixed and I have to again arrange some things here, so I'm gonna do it right now before ending this 3-day vlog which I actually made, so that you guys know how I live my usual days. do it. Video here, but don't forget to get your Nova Cram Comfort patches. One packet of 3 patches is originally priced at rupees 299, but using my code, which is Arushi20, you can get this packet at just rupees 239, which means 80 rupees per patch, and it's a great deal. So link is in my description box. Just click on it and get your patches right now.